Hey guys, are you new to streaming on Kick.com and can't get a chatbot set up? Stay tuned, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the BotRix live bot set up on your channel so you can stream on Kick.com with alerts. Let's get into it. Now I'm going to assume you already have your Kick account created, and you're going to need another account created to log in to BotRix. I have a Twitch account that I'm going to use, so we're going to go to Google, search for BotRix Kick. Should be the top link that shows up, botrix.live login. We're going to go ahead and click that, and it's going to take us to the site. And as you can see here, there is no Kick option. So we're going to log in with Twitch. And this is where it's going to ask us to put our username and our password in. Once you log in, you're going to authorize BotRix Live. And it's going to come up with this screen here. Just ignore this. You don't need to do premium. Everything is free. The premium does add a few extra features that you don't really need at this point. And as you can see here, it's going to ask us to enter with Kick. So you're going to go ahead and click on that. Now it's going to want you to link your account. You're going to put your Kick username in here. And then click accept. Here it's asking us to give a moderator role to botrix.live. So we're going to have to continue. It's going to kick us over to Kick. And once you get logged in here, what you're going to want to do is add BotRix as a moderator. So when you click the link, it should take you here. If not, just go up to your icon, click on your creator dashboard, and then click over on the left where it says moderators. Then you're going to click on Add New, and you're just going to put in BotRix. And there it is there, it's BotRix Live. We have him added now. To finish the account linking, it's going to want us to go here. We're back on the BotRix site. You're going to go to the Kick.com BotRix Live. That's their own channel, and you're going to copy the link that they give you here in to verify your account. So just copy that, click on the green link, it'll open another window. Down at the bottom, click on chat, and you're going to paste it in here. And that's it. Our account is linked. We now have access to the dashboard. So we go back over to the BotRix. We say finish. We're now into the BotRix site. And click down here where it says enter with Kick. And there you go. You're in there. It has your widget URL. So if you want to see any alerts or just test anything here, basically everything's already set up with basic examples. You're going to want to customize all this stuff at some point. But right now, if you click on any of these test buttons, nothing is really happening there because you haven't added the browser source. So to do that, you're going to want to copy this grayed out link, this fuzzed out link. Again, don't share this one with anybody. So you're going to copy that. And you're going to add a browser source to OBS. So you're going to click the plus symbol, click on browser source, you're going to add a new one, call it whatever you want. I would just call it BotRix. I'm calling it test. In here is where you're going to paste your URL. Okay, so once you have everything added, if you want to test anything, you just use the buttons below to test, and everything is just set up default right now. So let's just check out the subscription one. Or the gifted sub one. That is a banger, that one slaps. You go into your chatbot, it's going to say that you have to add the BotRix as a mod to your channel. So don't forget to do that. And the command's up here. It's just /mod space BotRix live. So we'll go ahead and do that. Once you have the alerts kind of set up the way you want, you can definitely go in and add more stuff to the widgets, the viewer count, followers, event labels, all that stuff. If you wanted to have a follower goal, this is where you would go to do that. And basically just set it up from there. Again, you're going to add everything as a browser source from there. And this is where you'd also go into your chatbot to set up different commands and that kind of stuff. Well, hopefully that helped you guys get your chatbot set up for Kick.com streaming. And even though I haven't streamed yet on Kick.com, the link for my channel is in the description. If you could do me a favor, throw me a follow, that'd be much appreciated. And if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.